human fascination with gold is as old as recorded history. 1792, the United States Congress passed the Mint and Coinage Act that established a fixed price of gold in terms of US dollars. 15 August 1971, a number of attempts were made to salvage the gold standard. 2011, the foundation of the Gold Standard Banking AG, one of the most successful companies which specializes in the trade of minerals and precious metals worldwide. There's a global distribution network for industrial minerals and metals in more than 120 countries. 2020, GSB presents new cutting-edge products and services. Blockchain gold asset LBMA price connected, ready to be traded on a stable rate directly on our exchange. It is using the most advanced decentralized blockchain protocol, safe, cost-efficient, and fast. Digital G999 card, the safest way to secure your digital blockchain assets. Use our new digital card at the size of a credit card to pay the merchants. Gold point of sale. If you are a gold bullion dealer, this is the best way to increase your sales. Our community will trade digital gold to pick up it physically. You can directly exchange the tokens and transfer fiat into your bank account. GSB consists of GSB Gold, International Business Blockchain Platform, Universal Gold Merchant, and Gold Standard Digital Bank. We invite you to discover our products and services. You can pay using our decentralized blockchain solution, everything and everywhere. Register now. Find out more about GSB on our website, g999main.net.
Welcome to the Lydian world, the blockchain game where you can earn, learn, and have fun. 2022, the world has changed, the internet changed, and the rise of the blockchain changed the entire industry and forced us to rethink. Blockchain gaming became the day-to-day opportunity to generate income. Some chase the mining, while others are doing the trading. The pursuit of our unlimited incoming resources has begun. Whatever it takes, leaving behind the unknown and embracing the new technology, the new era, the Lydian world. Here, the unlimited income resources are waiting to be claimed, but not without our engagement. We are the driving force of the Lydian world. We are the Lydians. The strategy is entirely in our hands, and we can choose which citizenship to get in order to build a future for our beloved ones. About mining or in need of a crypto-friendly credit card, a highly active trader who needs extra guidance, a developer who wants to promote his project, or a society-educated gamer who aims to make profits out of his own NFT shop and enjoys the time gaps with the Telegram trivia. You are connecting to the Lydian world incoming resources. Every single action of more than already 350,000 citizens is distributing rewards into Lydian world. Every time a card is swiped, every time an NFT transfer is completed, while you play, even while you sleep, Lydian world rewards you. It continues with a new vision, but do you know what marks the success? Perseverance, imagining the unimagined, and above all, possessing your own piece of virtual land to transform a grand idea into a grand reality. Pick a land. Press a button. Up you go. Behold your decentralized property, built to stand the test of time. Open your own business and share it with the others. From outwards to the city center area, until zone by zone, the city is taken over by its citizens. Multiple digital businesses rise alongside. A new era of luxury, shopping arcades, medical offices. Throw open their doors to an unlimited era, the blockchain. But something is missing. The design of your building is a way to define your own business, where you can approach your own digital architect. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. After all, with the power to create and trade, whoever holds the land NFT shapes the city forever. So, what is your vision?
The origins of life in the universe. First stages in human evolution. First simple technologies that started making our life easier. Welcome to Lydian World. We are glad to introduce our multi-ecosystem. Here, the rewards are generated thanks to the fees applied to each service or product behind an income resource such as staking pools, credit card swipe commissions, mining fields, assisted trading, non-fungible tokens marketplace, interactive airdrops, mainnet masternodes, trivia games, etc. Available on platforms and devices. More than 3 million users expected by the end of 2022 could reach a milestone of $5 billion in total resources. Lydian World, the place where you can explore, earn, and have fun.
All right, good morning. Good morning. How's everyone doing? Glad that you can make it to this brand new episode of Crypto Mornings. Well, we finna go over some major information. See, we got to let you know what the big corporations are doing, what the banks are doing, what's going on in the crypto space, and we got to show you how you can win in the crypto space immediately. So we want to thank y'all for tuning in, whether you're watching on Facebook, on our YouTube channel. If you're on Facebook, please make sure you go subscribe to our YouTube channel, Forward Money Network, and also subscribe to our team channel, New Millennium Bankers. Make sure you do that before we get this video started. So go ahead and subscribe, click the notification bell so you can get notified every time we go live. And we want to thank all of our subscribers over the weekend that subscribe to Forward Money Network. That's our #1 channel. So go over there and subscribe to that before we get started. And we're going to talk about Project Exodus 10,000. But to give you a quick, break down a quick summary about Project Exodus 10,000 before we show you how we are exiting out of this system and the method that we are using that you can use and you can get paid right now today. You don't have to wait. We found a system that pays us, that's paying us 22% per month of interest on our money. Really over 22%. 22% per month. We're going to get into that. And what Project Exit is about us bringing people together, right? Bringing people together that want to take advantage of this opportunity that we're bringing. Because the opportunities like this, we only see it only happens every so often, right? Like it was only one chance to get Bitcoin when Bitcoin was at a penny, when Bitcoin was at 10 cents. That chance is gone, right? You're not going to be able to get it like that no more. It was only a chance where you could get into Apple stock when it was low, where you could get into Amazon stock when it was low, Facebook stock when it was low. It was only one chance to be able to get it at a low price, right? So what we're bringing to you is not only are we bringing to you a major utility coin that has a very low price right now, but we're also bringing to you a system where you can be the first mover's advantage and you can get paid every single day, every single week before the world really knows and sees what's really going on. All right. So Project Exodus is us creating 10,000 cryptocurrency millionaires within the next 12 months. That's our goal. So we want to thank all of our new members that have joined, all of our new members that have paid their membership, their GS Partners membership, and who have got a metaverse certificate to put themselves in position to 6x, 3x, and even 7x their money over the next 18 months. And with our system, if you will come and study it and learn it and do it yourself, we can get to that 10,000 way before a year. But we're going to give ourselves a year to do it. So let's do it. So if you're interested in that, you can get with the person that shared this video with you, or you can text 10K to 833-549-2079. That's 10K to 833-549-2079. And once you text that 10K to that number, the information is there. Or you can go to forwardmoney.info. The information is there. Everything that you need to make a conscious decision is on the website, is in the text blast. Get in, you look at the information, study it, and then make a decision fast. Money loves speed. The average person is still broke working a job because the job is the slow way to get paid. The job is not a way to get rich. So money loves speed. So when you see this opportunity, when you text it, when you go to the website, make your decision. Know how much money you're going to get started with. Why? Because you're not going to get rich without putting up money anyway, right? Name me somebody that got rich that didn't have any money. They had to either raise money or they had it themselves. All right. So you gotta put money. Money gotta go to work. Okay. So, but we provide all avenues for all income bases. We have something specifically for you. Let's get into it, right? So our topic today is Samsung. Samsung, one of the biggest telecommunications phone providers in the world. Samsung is the most active investor in blockchain and cryptocurrency startups. So we're going to deep down into this article. But since it's Monday, September the 26th, we got to take a look at what the cryptocurrency market has done over the weekend. All right. And cryptocurrency, this is not like stock market. Cryptocurrency market goes 24/7. It doesn't stop. All right. You can always trade crypto. You can always buy crypto. You can always sell crypto 24/7. That's the difference between stock market and crypto. Central banks run the stock market. Wall Street run the stock market. The blockchain runs the crypto, and the blockchain is open. As long as the internet is open, the blockchain is open. So the cryptocurrency market cap is trading at $935 billion. $935,897,000,000 in market cap revenue or volume. All right. It is up 0.63% in the last day. Bitcoin is back over 19,000. Some predicted it to drop below. It went to 18,000, but it didn't drop below that. Last year, Bitcoin was about around this price too, at this same time almost. Like when we got to December and when we started our ecosystem, Gold Standard Bank Partners, Bitcoin was trading at about 18,000, about around this price that it is right now. So 1 year later, all the gains that Bitcoin had grabbed, they have went down. But in the last hour, it is up 0.65%. Last 24 hours is up 1.64%. In the last 7 days, it is up 0.24%. Now, I know people like to ask, why y'all like crypto so much? Well, because if I got Bitcoin, for one, it's decentralized and I can spend it where I want to spend it. I can send it to who I want to send it to. Nobody can freeze it. Nobody can halt it or stop the transactions. If I decide I wanted to send my Bitcoin somewhere, I'll buy some with my Bitcoin. Nobody can stop that. No matter the amount. Nobody can stop it. All right. And it's decentralized. And like you see these green here. So whatever Bitcoin I have, it is up right now. And I get paid in Bitcoin. So it's totally different from me buying Bitcoin when it was 30,000, 40,000. I got paid in it when it was 19,000, when it was 20,000, when it was 30,000, 25,000, when it was 40,000, when it was 50,000, when it was 68,000. We was getting paid in Bitcoin. So it doesn't matter. Bitcoin has become my number one income, meaning this is what I spend. This is what I spend and use the most for my currency. All right. And it's an easy push of a button, liquidating it back into cash if I need cash. Because cash still has a little power. I just don't hold cash. Big difference. All right. Ethereum, the second biggest cryptocurrency in the world, is trading for $1,328.52. Ethereum is up 1.12% in the last hour. It is up almost 2% in the last 24 hours and is down 1.79% in the last 7 days. All right. And then we have our utility coin, our baby coin, as we call it. And we call it a baby because of its low price point and of its roughly new on the market. Our coin is roughly new on the market. It hasn't even been on the market 2 years. It has an all-time high right at 5 cents. That happened last year sometime. It was released at like 2 cents. So overall, we might be down about 10%. But right now, we are up 4%. We are up 2.28% against Bitcoin, because you can trade our coin against Bitcoin or for Bitcoin. You can trade the G999 for Ethereum. You can trade it for Tether. You can even trade it for Pax Gold. If you don't know about Pax Gold, go and take a look at that. You can even trade our coin for real estate. You can trade. Let me say that again, because I know some of y'all didn't hear that. You can even trade this coin right here for tokenized real estate right now on our blockchain, in our system, rather. In our system, in our exchange, you can get some tokenized ownership rights to a luxury hotel in Dubai with this coin right here, and look at the price of it. So very, very major opportunity right here. Why? Because if you got the coin at this price, for you to 10x the money, the coins, they got to go to 2 cents. Just 2 cents from the price that it is right now. It is up 4% right now as we speak. But this coin is the gas to this ecosystem that we're involved in called Gold Standard Bank. And if you come in and market and promote this coin and teach people and educate people about this coin and other products that we have, then you can generate instant income in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Instant income. Man, hey, listen, we're going to come back to some of that a little later, because that is amazing. Instant income. Yes, instant income. All right. So let's get into our topic today. And this topic is coming from, this article is coming from Bitcoin.com. Samsung named most active investor in crypto and blockchain startup. Now, Samsung is a big tech company, a telecommunications company, but why are they invested in the startups and blockchain and crypto? Between September 2021 and mid-June 2022, Samsung invested in 13 crypto blockchain companies, thus making the South Korean corporation the most active among the top 40 corporations. Google's parent Alphabet firm, on the other hand, tops the category of top corporations that participated in the biggest funding rounds. 40 corporations invest $6 billion, according to the research from block data analysts of investments in blockchain and crypto startups by top corporations between September of 2021 and mid-June of 2022. The South Korean electronics giant Samsung was the most active, having invested in 13 companies. United Overseas Bank, which invested in 7 companies, is the next most active, and is closely followed by 2 American financial services giants, Citigroup, and Goldman Sachs. Do y'all hear these names? Now we bring this information to us in these articles to us because we know it's easy to get this stuff, but some of us just don't really have the time to sit down and be looking through that stuff. And then do we have the knowledge or the understanding of discernment? Like what is the discernment? What is the message that we need to get? Well, that's when Forward Money Network comes in, right? Not only do we want to bring you this, but we want to give you a deeper look on what this is saying. So if you got Samsung, South Korea, electronics, telecommunications giant, $1 trillion corporation, right? I'm pretty sure if it's not a trillion, it's definitely hundreds of billions, right? If they are invested in the cryptocurrency and blockchain startups, then what are they trying to do? Well, they know where the world is going. Then you got a bank, Overseas Bank. They invested in the 7 companies. Then you got Citigroup. This is the United States. Citigroup and Goldman Sachs. Now, these people got money, but what they trying to do? They trying to stay relevant because they know crypto is here and they know it's not going anywhere. As shown by the analysts, the number of crypto or blockchain startups funded by Samsung, United Overseas Bank, Citigroup, and Goldman Sachs in the period under review is nearly half, 31 of the total number of startups, 65 that raised capital from the 40 top corporations. While the data on the exact amount invested by each corporation is unavailable, Block Data's analyst still gives an estimate of the amount that was invested by all the corporations. The 40 companies invested approximately $6 billion into blockchain startups between September 2021 to mid-June of 2022. All right. Because some rounds involve participation from multiple investors, it is unclear how much each company invested in a project, reads Block Data's research report. Meanwhile, concerning corporations that were active in the biggest funding rounds, Alphabet, the parent company of Google, tops this category after it participated in rounds that raised just under $1.51 billion. BlackRock is in second place, having participated in 3 funding rounds in which $1.17 billion was raised. The American financial service giant Morgan Stanley occupies the 3rd spot, having participated in 2 rounds, which garnered $1.1 billion, while Samsung is in the 4th place with $979 million. Corporations invest in NFT companies. Concerning the use of the cases that top corporations are interested in, Block Data determined that 19 of the companies receiving funding were in some form of non-fungible tokens, proof of ownership. Non-fungible tokens, NFT, solutions and services. 12 are marketplaces, while 11 are in the business of providing gaming service. 12 are marketplaces in gaming service. In the metaverse, this is talking about the metaverse, all right? Explaining the different investment approaches by the top corporation, the research firm said, Samsung is placing bets across the blockchain ecosystem, investing in companies focused on 15 different use cases, such as blockchain services, development platforms, NFT, and social networks. On the other hand, Alphabet and BlackRock are showcasing a completely different strategy by making concrete bets on a smaller set of companies. Woo. So this thing is getting deep. This thing is heating up. All right. And so just give a quick summary on what's happening. The big corporations are getting into crypto. The big corporations see the future going digital. So they're trying to stay relevant and they're trying to benefit and hit the most gain. They're not just trying to stay relevant, they're trying to stay relevant and make a big have a big capital gain. This is what they want to do. Why? They want to start up with stuff at its baby stage. And then as it rises, they're going to reap billions, millions, and billions of dollars by getting started in it now. Now, well, that's where we come in and Gold Standard Bank. Why? Well, because some of these startups, they got enough money to take the chance on them. So some of them might don't come to fruition. Some of them might don't do what expected. But Samsung, BlackRock, Citigroup, Goldman Sachs, they got enough money to play around. We don't. We don't have enough money to play around. So we need something real and we need something paying right now. I don't need to wait on a coin to go up to make money. All right. That's so 2018, 2019, 17, investing in crypto. Right now, what we doing is we looking for ways to get paid right now. Like what can we do right now to get paid and to benefit from crypto right now as we speak? Well, that's where Gold Standard Bank and New Millennium Bankers come in at, because these are the opportunities that we are bringing. We are bringing to you these type of opportunities. Now, just posted, and you heard them talking about the metaverse, NFTs, non-fungible tokens. A non-fungible token is in the metaverse for the most part. All right. That's where you get an NFT from, out of some metaverse. Now, we showed the video starting this off about our Millennium world. Now, in that article about Samsung and those other big corporations, it talked about them investing into marketplace metaverses and also gaming services. Now, we just happen to have a metaverse Millennium world that has both. We have a marketplace and we also have some gaming where you can come in and play games and make money from playing games. All right. We also provide that as well. However, now what we provide that the other metaverses don't provide. And I don't want you to think that that's why we're not calling any name, because we're not specifically talking, and we're not talking, I'm pro metaverse, pro crypto, pro blockchain. So I'm not talking down on any project, right? That's not what we're doing. But we're just telling you outright from the research, from the study, from being in the crypto space, being in the blockchain market, understanding what's happening, being active with NFTs. I got over 100 some NFTs. With these NFTs, with having multiple different cryptocurrencies, multiple. I got some cryptocurrencies that I will mention, and I got a bunch of them. I got some that I won't mention. Why? Well, I'm the type of person, I'm going to do one thing. All right. I can't do something else I can't do multiple things with comp plans. You follow what I'm saying? So I'm committed to the vision in what Gold Standard Bank offers. So I'm not offering any other platform. All right. And by doing the research and understanding, there's not a better platform even close to Gold Standard Bank Partners. Not even close. Not even close. So it wouldn't even be, it'll really be a waste of time for me to tell you about something else. You find that on your own. It'll really be a waste of time for me to tell you about something else, and when Gold Standard Bank has the best system for everybody. Why? Because we get paid immediately. We get paid from the movement of our money. All of my coins that I have in this ecosystem here are generating more coins every single day. My NFTs, I am getting paid. People got NFT. They ain't getting paid till they sell NFTs in the other metaverses now. You got big name people, Snoop Dogg, Eminem, David Chappelle. You got big name entertainers and celebrities that got NFTs, but their NFTs ain't paying them. They gotta sell them. They gotta sell them. That's why Eminem bought an NFT for $460,000. Why? Because he planned on selling it for a higher price. He just holding it and let the value go up on it. You follow what I'm saying? Now, this is what's going on in other metaverses. Our metaverse, my NFTs in our metaverse paying me every single day. Every single day. All you got to do is just hold them. And there's a pool in there that pay out every month at the beginning of the month. And that is paying out in Bitcoin. This pool, just for being in our metaverse, this is a pool every month that, and we are paid in these currencies here. Listen at me. Follow me closely. Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD Tether, G999, Lydian Stater, Lydian Lion, XLTs, tokenized real estate. We the only platform where you literally can get paid in tangible real estate. Y'all ain't hear that part. Man, the blockchain is amazing. The blockchain is amazing, but Gold Standard Bank is even amazing. We even surpassed what the blockchain is doing because nobody has did it like this. And nobody's probably not even trying. Why? Because they don't have the capital to do it, or if they do got the capital to do it, they not trying to bring up and make people rich. See, our chairman of the board, he's a very rich man, very wealthy man, all right? So he want rich people around him. So he want people that's in the project that he envisioned and finance. He has literally made us part owners to it. Now, no cap. So why would I talk about something else when over here I'm a part owner to it? And I didn't have to finance it. I didn't have to come up with it. But I'm the engine. I'm part of the engine. I'm part of the gas. I'm part of the fuel. Why? Because I'm part of the marketing team. I'm part of the promotion team. And he's paying lovely. Or the system is paying lovely because I don't work for him. You feel me? I'm a CEO of my own influence. And from this system, we have created a brand new brand, New Millennium Bankers. That's a team brand. You follow what I'm saying? And because this system matches our mindset. And our mindset is what? Exiting out and getting out of that dollar debt system, that paycheck to paycheck that mentality, that good credit mentality. I just heard a song last night from Cardi B and another sister, and she said, what is the other sister, not Cardi B, the other sister, I think she said her name is Glorilla or something like that, right? She said, forget my credit score, I might be rich in the morning. Y'all ain't hear that part. She said, forget my credit score, I might be rich in the morning. So this is the mentality that we have in New Millennium Bankers. We give 2 cents about a credit score. Why? Because we ain't trying to go into debt anyway. We could be rich today. You feel me? We could be rich in the morning, next week, next month. Because we have that system. We have that platform. We have these assets. Massive portfolio. So let's take a look at these assets here. These are metaverse certificates. Now we have 8 of them. Artemis, Hermes, Aphrodite, Apollo, Athena, Hera, Poseidon, Zeus. Now in these certificates, except the Artemis, starting at Hermes going up, it is a bonus that comes with just activating the certificate. Now, we got a window to get the full bonus before some of the bonus be taken out. It's a bonus that's inside of it that gives you more money for your money. All right. So just Saturday with this one here, this Hermes certificate here that's fully loaded, that's paying out 4.15% per week on average of $1,000 of the price. And then the load is paying out of deposit is another $1,000. Is paying out 6% per month, but that payout comes quarterly. But we can compound the interest. So if you see here in this circle, it says Meta Portfolio Load 139.72% started at 100%. Why? Because we are compounding the interest every week. So if I go here and look, it's already generating rewards for the next week. It tell me October the 1st is the next payout, and it's saying roughly it'll be $41.50. This is almost like a fixed income type of thing. If you don't know what that is, go Google fixed incomes, and see and learn about it yourself. But if you look here, now everything in the portfolio belongs to me. This is a portfolio, so it's a broker account. We got the first meta brokerage accounts in the world in our metaverse. So this part of this portfolio started at $1,125. Now it's at $1,571.87 in 9 weeks. But it don't stop there. This started at $1,000. Now it's at $1,397.21. Now, if you look at all the prices that have been paid. Look at the dates, but look at the prices. 41.50, 35.57, 53, 47, 41, 47, 41, 47, 41. So adding this up, this is actually more than the 4.15%, and this is weekly. Now, you don't have to compound it. You can withdraw it every single week, and you can spend it. So on average, this is close to about $200. So in 9 weeks, this will total up to about almost $400 passive income. That's about $200 per month. So in 2 months, this has generated about $400 or more, a little over, a little less. All right. But it's compounded. And the portfolio belongs to the account holder. So if you look at these certificates, and this is just the Hermes, this is more on the lower side, right? This is more on the lower side because it's only $2,000 that you are saving. And look at these pools and look at what's being paid out from the load of the certificates. We got a mid-month accelerator pool. That's 4% of the load going into this pool. Then we got an infinity pool, 4% of the of the load going into the infinity pools, 12%, taken away from the load, coming back to the community. Then look at Lydian World load, a pool. This just being in Lydian World. Now these here, you're going to have to earn this. You're going to have to build a team to get in the infinity pool and get in the mid-month accelerator pool. But these are bonuses. I just hit the mid-month accelerator on the 15th of this month, and it was about a $600 bonus in the middle of the month. And I only hit director, which is the lowest rank in the infinity ranks. All right. Just 3 active people, $10,000 in volume. All right. But I still, in the middle of the month, was paid a bonus of about $600. So now we got this coming, this infinity pool coming at the 1st of the month, October the 1st. And then the Lydian World pool is coming too in Lydian World. Now, this is ridiculous, and this is just people saving their money. So let's take the Aphrodite. $2,500 price, $2,500 max load. It unlocks a bonus of $10,000. It gives you some meta mining money, which is another income stream. It gives you some meta trade money, which is another income stream. But your meta portfolio is $2,500, paying 6% per month, but that is paid out quarterly. So it's generating 6% per month, but it's paid out at 18% per quarter, rounding about. Then the other $2,500 is paying 4.15% per week. That's over $100 a week. And you can compound this $5,000 to get this one here started. And in 18 months, you can grow this 5,000, can 6x it, and it'll be somewhere around in the ballpark of about 31,000. So these are the certificates that we had as ready-made that you can't get nowhere else, and it's not paying out in a utility coin. It's paying out in a stable coin. Understand the significance of that. It's paying out in a stable coin, so you don't have to worry about the fluctuations of your money. The profits staying the same. Your money is put in there in a stable coin. And this is what's happening over our blockchain with our tech partner and brokerage firm. But they're not important because you now have a broker's account with them. You're going to have a GS Partners account. So anybody that's interested in getting one of these certificates, right? And getting one of these certificates is get with the person that shared this with you. Get with the person that's with that share this with you. They tag you in it. They come in here. Get with the person that share this with you. And if you want to be one of these 10,000 cryptocurrency millionaires, we taking real serious inquiries. We don't want nobody that's not willing to do. You can start with $500, or literally you can start with $100. All right. If you don't have the money to get a certificate, just pay your membership for a whole year. I mean, a whole 3 months, rather. That's what the $100 would do. And you can build a business and invite the people you know to these certificates, because this is passive income while the stock market is down, while 401ks is leaking, while Bitcoin is up and down, while the G999 is up and down, Ethereum up and down. All this is going on. We are still getting paid. We are still afloat. We are still, and we're not just getting, we are thriving because we're getting paid in those utility coins too. But the certificate is going to pay you in a stable coin, and you don't have to worry about the fluctuation of it. So subscribe to the YouTube channel, Forward Money Network, and New Millennium Bankers. If you want to be a 10,000 cryptocurrency millionaire, one of that, you want to get started with this decentralized blockchain banking, then you need to be texting right now 10K to 833-549-2079, or you need to go to forwardmoney.info so you can get the registration link so you can participate in Project Exodus 10,000, the new Millennium Bankers Way This is what we're doing, and this is what we're going to continue to do. So, with that being said, we will see you in the morning for another brand new episode of Crypto Mornings. We out.